Hello students, we are now looking at question number 36 of KVPY SX 2021 paper. This is 16th question of physics section. So let's see what the question says. Speed of satellite in circular orbit of radius r0 is v0. So let's say this is the circular orbit of radius r0 and this is a satellite. The speed is v0. So we know the relationship between these two. v0 will be root of gm by r0. So that becomes one equation. Now another satellite is in elliptical orbit around the Earth. So we are assuming Earth of mass m here, so that is still present. But another satellite is moving in an elliptical orbit, and the minimum and the maximum speeds are given. So minimum speed happens at the farthest point, that is apogee. So minimum speed is alpha v naught. So here speed is alpha times of v naught, and the maximum speed occurs at perigee. So it is beta times of v naught. This is given to us. Now we have to find out the time period. So basically, to find out the time period, we need to know the length of major axis or the semi-major axis, and then we'll be done. So how we can do this? So let's say this length is r1. Let's say this length is r2. R2. So we have a standard formula that beta v2 is equal to root of gm by a, where a is the length of semi-major axis, into, now you're writing velocity at this point, so this will come into the numerator, so r2 by r1. Similarly, if you write alpha v naught, then you will write gm by a, and then r1 by r2. So this basically means that the product alpha beta v naught square will be equal to gm by a. So from here we can get the value of a as gm. Now gm can also be written as v naught square into r naught. So v naught square into r naught, that's gm, divided by alpha beta into v naught square. So v naught square get cancelled and we get r naught upon alpha beta. So I'll write it here. We get a is equals to r naught upon alpha beta. So once you have the value of a, now you can readily write time period as t square is equals to 4 pi square by gm a raised to power 3, or t is equals to 2 pi by root gm into a cube. So that's r naught cube upon alpha cube beta cube. Now the catch here is to get rid of gm, which we can do very easily. We can see from here root gm will be v naught into root, so it v naught into root r naught, so that's into r naught raised to power 3 upon alpha cube beta square. So this becomes 2 pi r naught raised to power 5 by 2 divided by v naught alpha cube beta square, beta cube. It will be beta cube here also. Alright, so this is the expression we are looking for. Let's check whether we have such an option in the given options. So such an expression. So r naught raised to power 5. Okay, it is not present in terms of r naught. Okay, slight mistake here. I forgot to take the root here. It will be by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, and here also by 2, here also by 2. So what we are looking for is 2 pi by v naught, and then r naught, and then upon alpha beta raised to power 3 by 2. So I guess D option looks the most appropriate one. So D option will be the correct one here. Do Google about it, guys, and do scan this QR code. Thank you.